In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Facebook. This process is straightforward and will significantly enhance your writing experience as you engage on the platform. Let's start by visiting the Grammarly website. This is where you'll initiate the setup process. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Grammarly's homepage. You can either sign up for an account if you're new to Grammarly, or click on the login button if you already have an account. This will take you to the sign in page, where you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Grammarly account. Once you've typed in your email, click on the continue button. This step is important to verify your login details and gain access to the Grammarly tools. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on Grammarly's homepage. From here, you have access to a suite of features ready to assist you across different platforms. Now open another tab in your browser and go to Facebook's website. Log into your Facebook account using your credentials. With Facebook open, try writing a post. This is where you'll see Grammarly in action. As you start typing, you'll notice the Grammarly icon appear in your text editor. This icon signifies that Grammarly is actively checking the text you're typing, offering real-time suggestions to improve your writing. Clicking on the Grammarly icon will provide you with detailed feedback on your text. It evaluates grammar, punctuation, spelling, and style. More interestingly, Grammarly can also help generate a post for you. This feature is particularly useful if you're unsure of how to structure a message or if you need some creative inspiration. Grammarly goes beyond basic spell checking, offering a more refined approach to writing that enhances your communication skills online. After incorporating Grammarly with Facebook, you'll realize how seamlessly it works to enhance your texts. By integrating this tool, you're ensuring that your communication on Facebook is not only clear and professional, but also reflects well on your online persona. That's it, you have successfully added Grammarly to your Facebook experience. This small addition can make a big difference in how you communicate online. Enjoy the convenience of having a writing assistant at your fingertips, helping you craft flawless posts on Facebook. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial.